The life cycle of a building is approximately 50 years. During this time, operating costs accounts for 80% of the costs. Approximately 30% are energy costs. Preserve the value of your building, achieve better efficiency, and ensure maximum comfort at the lowest possible cost. The first step towards an efficient future begins with the migration of existing systems.
Gebäude sind ein wesentlicher Kostenfaktor.
Our building is a major cost factor. To us, it's important to lower costs, ensure the availability of plants and systems, and offer our employees the highest level of comfort.
Unseren Nutzern müssen wir den bestmöglichen Komfort bieten.
As a company, we're constantly facing cost pressure. We at GGM Gesellschaft für Gebäudemanagement GmbH need a reliable building management system with 100% availability. We've entrusted our infrastructure to Siemens. Our goal was to modernize aging systems such as building technology and plants, and to network them effectively in order to ensure efficient and sustainable operations. Siemens helped us during planning, decision-making, and implementation of our requirements. Modernization measures were adjusted to meet our budget, and using a project plan, they were implemented step by step based on our needs. The first modernization step is to analyze the installed plant equipment, measure energy consumption, define holistic upgrade measures, and implement them with the highest level of professionalism. The second step is to replace the existing automation system with a state-of-the-art system, such as the Desigo building automation system. Disciplines are networked effectively to make your building a smart building. This lowers your operating and energy costs year after year during the entire life cycle of your building. Using a state-of-the-art building management system, we were able to improve the room climate in the building, thus enhancing comfort. This has increased the productivity of our employees by 5 to 10%. We protect people, processes, and assets, minimizing business risk and maximizing the protection of your investment. We are your reliable technology partner for energy-efficient, safe, and secure buildings and infrastructures. Services from Siemens help you lower your operating costs and plan and finance upgrades in a timely fashion. Together with Siemens, we've made our building ready for the future as far as efficiency and sustainability are concerned. This makes our building an efficient and essential part of our business success. Breathe more life into your building. It can do more than you think.